ఇక్కడ గమనించండి, విచ్ లోక్సభ హ్యాడ్ 3 prime ministers as a members. 3rd Lok Sabha and 11th Lok Sabha. 3rd and 11th Lok Sabhas are having a 3 prime ministers. For example, if you consider first Lok Sabha period is 1950 to 57, Jawaharlal Nehru was the prime minister. Second Lok Sabha 57 to 62, Jawaharlal Nehru. 1947 to 64, Jawaharlal Nehru was the prime minister. In the third Lok Sabha 1962 to 67, Jawaharlal Nehru was died in the year 1964. After the Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, then Indira Gandhi. Gulzarilal Nanda was the caretaker prime minister. So in the third Lok Sabha period, 3 prime ministers we have chance to observe. Third Lok Sabha, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. 3 prime ministers. Next,